Hi, my name is Andrew Prestigui, and I have the MC1R protein. And once that protein is mutated, it goes from argine 67, which is replaced by cytosine. And the MC1 protein is constructed through the MC1R gene. And the protein in general plays the role of a receptor, as it allows for pigmentation. And this receptor is usually located, or not usually, but it is located on the surface of melanocytes. And melanocytes are is composed of specialized cells which produce pigment, also known as melanin. And like I said, I had the MC1R protein, and this is argine, uh, and the protein has a shape of a helix. And for that, I use a straw, and I tried twisting it up to give the resemblance of a helix. And right here you can see the amino sequence 67, which is then replaced by cytosine through mutation, and this is shown here as well. And once the argine is mutated to a cytosine, the function of the protein does entirely change. As the original argine, it produces a lot of eumelanin, which contributes towards the production of dark features such as hair and fur, compared to cytosine, where it contributes to lighter features and in hair or fur. And when the protein is mutated, cytosine is not stimulated by a hormone as much, which results in a lesser production of eumelanin and a greater production of phenomelanin, which is the reason behind lighter features as compared to argine, where argine produces more eumelanin and less phenomelanin, which results in darker features. And this hormone is also known as A-MSH, which is activated in the MC1R protein and is used by, or is binded by both proteins, the original and the mutated. But it's just a matter of MSH being more present in argine compared to cytosine, which results in the different variations of dark skin or light skin. And for the original protein, the main functional groups which were present were amino and carboxyl groups, compared to the mutated version, which was amino, carboxyl, and sulfhydryl groups. And despite them having different functional groups, which would be the sulfhydryl group, they still share the similar characteristics in a sense, as both proteins are still both hydrophilic and polar. The only difference would be that the mutated version has a sulfhydryl group, and that the cytosine uses less A-MSH compared to argine. And for limitations on this project, it would be, I would say that one crucial one would be that my 3D model, you can't really see the shape of a helix in the straw, although I tried twisting it, and I would say that's a very important factor, as that's what makes its protein very distinct, because it has the shape of a helix, and as well as the amino sequence that you can't really see the difference, which I tried to like differentiate through using foam paper. And this is supposed to be the amino sequence 67 on argine, and this is supposed to be the amino sequence on cytosine, was changed through the mutation.